In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck. It has to be this one, DevCheck device and system info from Flare to developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!